Welcome back. This is lecture 8 of PGBP and this is for CMA Intermediate June 2022 attempt and for AY 22-23. ठीक है, ये हमारा lecture 8 है PGBP का. ये end हो सकता है I think by 11 बज जाएंगे, हमें भी 10:50 तक. ओके right, so okay, fine. So we were in depreciation and additional depreciation हमने किया था. Okay, so we have done additional depreciation. Okay, we have done one problem on it in the end. ये problem है, ये we have done the entire problem in the previous class, so you can refer to it for it. The only thing is last part हम बस ये देख रहे थे कि solution में as we had already discussed. देखिए यहाँ पे ये दोनों यहाँ जाएंगे. Okay, and in this one, second one, what we discussed, that whole thing will go to the next year. This is current previous year, this is future previous year. Okay, plant है तो straightforward है, no problem. Whole thing here and plant C, it was bought itself on 5/5/22. So straight away it will go to whole thing, it will get in 50 next previous year. Okay.
Sir, your voice is not clear. Voice is breaking in between.
Okay, 1 minute. So I'll just put on my normal. Okay, so you are all able to hear me now?
Yes, sir. Now we can hear, but
yes, sir.
You were not here. You were not audible.
Okay, I've just changed the internet now back to my Wi-Fi. Okay, back to my original internet broadband. It was running on the Wi-Fi. Running on the hotspot, sorry. Okay, so now we are able to hear, right? All fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so चलो हो गया. So that was ये वही problem जो we had already discussed. This is done. We'll do another illustration on additional depreciation. This is illustration 3. Okay. Okay, so the previous problem, this was the one. If you didn't see, okay. This was the previous problem we did. Okay, exactly all are same as we had discussed. Okay, last one is 10,000. This is current previous year. This is next previous year. Okay, and plant is anyway fully here, right? And in B, we had been given that it's put to use in 22, May 22. So full thing has gone here. And C anyway was in 22. Whole thing has gone here. Okay, fine. This was the previous problem, which we had already discussed. Okay. Next we'll do one more problem, illustration 3. Okay. So illustration 3 says an industrial undertaking commenced the manufacturing activity from 1st September 2021. Okay. So we all know that the opening WDV is 0. Okay, it commenced from 1st September 2021, and it acquired the following assets in previous year 21-22. ठीक है, ये सारे assets खरीदा गया है. It has acquired all these assets. Okay, we have to calculate depreciation, additional depreciation, when we also have to find out the WDV. इस प्रॉब्लम में, ठीक है. So इसमें देखिए कोई परसेंटेजेस दिए नहीं गए हैं. We have not been given any percentages, and the problem is computes the depreciation allowable for AY 22-23 and WDV as on 1st April 2022. ठीक है, तो ये हमको निकालना है. एंड दिस इज, ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बता दिया ना इसने, इंडस्ट्रियल अंडरटेकिंग. ओके, एंड कमेंस्ड एक्टिविटी फ्रॉम 1st April 2021, यानी वो 2005 मार्च 2005 के बाद में ही है. करेक्ट, इट इज आफ्टर दैट, एंड इट इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्टिविटी. ठीक है, सो ही विल गेट एडिशनल डिप्रिसिएशन हियर. ठीक है, रिमेंबर दिस. इसमें they have not given us any rate, so in this case what you can do is you can take the general rate when no rate is given. No? So machinery, the general rate is 15%. Okay, for all plant and machinery you can take 15%. Assume it to be 15%. You can do that. Okay, so base rates which I told you, 5% is for building, okay, residential buildings, then 10% is for furniture, 15% is for machinery. Okay, so ये है. तो दो ब्लॉक्स है हमारे पास. इज वन ब्लॉक फैक्ट्री बिल्डिंग, सेकेंड ब्लॉक इज प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, 15% डिप्रिसिएशन. ओके, यह फैक्ट्री बिल्डिंग कितना रहेगा डिप्रिसिएशन? What will be the depreciation percentage of factory building?
10%.
Very good. So it will be 10%. Here, ठीक है. अब यहाँ देखो फैक्ट्री बिल्डिंग एक्विजिशन कब हुआ है? 4/4, ठीक है, एंड पुट टू यूज 19. सो कितना परसेंटेज? 100% डिप्रिसिएशन मिल जाएगा. विल गेट फुल रेट बिकॉज इट इज बिफोर 3rd of October. Okay, so ये combination you have to see. This you will get 100% and depreciation percent is 10%, which is 5 lakhs. ठीक है, 5 lakhs. चलिए इसका देख लेते हैं पहले बिल्डिंग का, then we'll do plant and machinery separately. ठीक है, now this is for building. See, opening WDV is nil, right? Purchase is 50 lakhs. This plus this gives you 50 lakhs. ठीक है, less sale proceeds, nil. Balance is 50 lakhs again. Depreciation 10%, 5 lakhs, and 50 minus 5 gives you WDV as on 1/4/2022, 45 lakhs. Okay, straightforward, right? Now we have to do plant and machinery. Okay, and in plant and machinery, let's see क्या क्या दिया है हमको, whatever has been given. Okay, plant and machinery, you have got all these things. You will get depreciation for everything. Okay, but additional depreciation will not be for everything. There are some exceptions, correct? So depreciation you will get for all of these. ठीक है, आधा या पूरा हमको यहाँ से हमको on the combination of these two dates we'll have to find out that they'll get half or full. ठीक है, so in this case आपके पहले में just see this block. ठीक है, this block is put to use is 19. Okay, so in all these cases 100% depreciation. ठीक है, 15% of this value मिल जाएगा full. Okay, and now for these, this is put to use on 31/10 year 28/2. Okay, and the one after that is 13/1/2022. 1/2/2022, 2/2/2022. So all these are 50%. Okay, 15% का 50%. That means 7.5%. Okay, agreed? समझ में आया इतना? ये हो गया फर्स्ट मेजर हमारा क्लासिफिकेशन. ठीक है, बट फॉर द फॉर्मेट वी हैव टू राइट. सो पूरे ब्लॉक का एक ही ब्लॉक बनाएंगे. ओके, और what you will do here is, first thing is opening WDV, and then you will write purchase, right? In purchase you have to just add all of these. Okay, so you have to add all of this. सबका एडिशन कीजिए कितना आता है. यहीं पे आप orally you can do it. 2 + 5 7 + 10 17 21 24 26 31 32 lakhs. This whole thing is 32 lakhs. ठीक है, याद रखना. फर्स्ट 3 is 100%, नेक्स्ट 5 is 50%. कितना मैंने बोला? 32 lakhs, right? Okay, WDV as on 1/4/2021 nil. Then purchase is 32 lakhs. Then this हो जाता है balance. Sale proceeds is nil. Then balance is 32 lakhs only. अब ये depreciation जो है अपने को निकालना. This depreciation is normal depreciation plus additional depreciation. As I said, additional depreciation is added to your normal depreciation. Okay, so इसको निकालना, यही इसका मेन है ये प्रॉब्लम का. तो यार चलो नॉर्मल डेप्रिसिएशन पहले हम देखते हैं क्या होगा. हमें देखिए फर्स्ट 3 का जो है 15%, नेक्स्ट 5 का यू विल गेट 7.5%. ओके, ये हो गया. एडिशनल का देख लेते हैं किसको कितना आएगा. एडिशनल इज 20%, राइट? तो उसमें सेकेंड हैंड मशीनरी में यू डोंट गेट, करेक्ट? मोटर व्हीकल्स, रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल्स यू डोंट गेट. ऑफिस अप्लायंसेस यू डोंट गेट. ठीक है, तो ये 3 चीज में आपको एडिशनल डेप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलेगा. बस यू विल गेट एडिशनल डेप्रिसिएशन इन द फर्स्ट 5. ठीक है, क्लियर है? चलो, तो अभी ये फर्स्ट अपन ये देखते हैं. डेप्रिसिएशन समझ गया ना अपन को कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. सो नाउ and we know that first 3 are 100%, last 5 are 50%. चलो तो देखते हैं. Normal 17 lakhs into 15%. 17 lakhs into 15% और 15 lakhs into 15% into half. ठीक है, so पहले 3 का टोटल आना चाहिए 17 lakhs. नेक्स्ट 5 टोटल शुड बी 15 lakhs. देखते हैं 17 and 15. ओके, दिस इज 17, करेक्ट? और ये 15 आ रहा है. ये 4 3 7 8 9 10 15. ओके, दिस 15 lakhs. ओके, समझ गया ना? अंडरस्टूड? 15 lakhs full depreciation. Okay, 15%. And sorry, 17 lakhs. First one is 17 lakhs. You will get full depreciation. This is full depreciation. Okay, and the bottom pink one is half depreciation. 17 and 15 lakhs. ठीक है, चलो ये देख लेते हैं. One by one we'll see. So your full depreciation is 17 lakh into 15%. This is 15 lakh into 15 into half. Plus, if you do this, you will get this value. Now for this one, additional. Okay, so current year's 17 first three machinery were 17%, the 17 lakhs, correct? 17 lakhs into 20%. After that, you will take only fourth and fifth. Last three you won't get. The fourth and fifth will be 7 lakh into 20% into half. Let us see. Okay, here. Okay, this three हमने ले लिया. And after this, जो मैं yellow में दिखा रहा हूँ, that is exception. You will not use for additional depreciation. So middle के जो दो line बच गए हैं. Okay, the two lines which are left out in the middle, this one green में जो बता रहा हूँ, this is that 7 lakhs जिसकी बात कर रहा हूँ. This 7 lakhs into 15% into 50%, or upon 2 बोलिए, whatever. ठीक है, understood? Calculation समझ गया होगा, right? So this is how you got ये problem एक बार घर में कर लेना, क्योंकि आपको समझ जाएगा. This is 20% and this is 7 lakh इनका ये. So this is your depreciation. This is additional depreciation. Add the two, you will get 777. Okay, get 777, then put it here. Okay, this will be depreciation. Okay, so this is your plant and machinery. Okay, so opening was nil, purchase was 32 lakhs we had counted, correct? So balance was 32 lakhs, sale is nil, then again balance is 32 lakhs, and this is depreciation we calculated now. So this minus this gives you WDV. Okay, understood? बस ये है next problem. Right? Now I'm taking you back. Treatment of some slump sale. Okay, this is where I'll just close it after this. Okay, 10 minutes maybe. Okay, after this we'll close the session. Now slump sale ये होता है ना कि slump sale का मतलब क्या होता है? Normally जब many assets are sold together for one lump sum price. Okay, slump sale is when many assets are sold together for one lump sum price. ठीक है, so इसमें बस problem क्या होता है? Like you would be understanding, normally when assets are sold we know, है ना, ये asset बिका है and all that. In slump sale problem ये हो जाता है कि say I have one block, okay, with 50 assets. ठीक है, इसका WDV let me say is 5 crore, whatever. Okay, now out of this, if I know that 30 assets were sold together for a common price, if this happens, then how will you treat it? This is slump sale. ठीक है, इसको बोलते हैं slump sale. एक साथ कई बार अंडरटेकिंग, जैसे आपके 5 अंडरटेकिंग रहते हैं, 5 में से एक बिक जाता है. Okay, so then okay, many times what happens is like आपका block होता है, in the block you have some assets which are even used by sister concerns, ऐसे सब भी होते हैं. Okay, when you have many concerns together, इसमें से अगर suppose एक concern बिक गया, okay, so that would mean one pool of assets बिक गया. Suppose ये पांचों मिला के you use assets as a pool, ठीक है, इसमें आपके पूरे 200 assets है. Now कुछ हुआ, आपने एक अंडरटेकिंग बेच दिया, now you have 4, 1 you have sold it, so इसमें से अब 40 assets निकल गए. Okay, so how will you treat it? वो है slump sale. ठीक है, तो कुछ भी इसमें ऐसा एडिशनल नहीं है, नथिंग डिफरेंट एज सच, ठीक है, स्लम सेल में। ओके, सो यू आर ऑल एबल टू रीड, राइट? जो आप लैपटॉप में फॉन्ट पढ़ पाते हैं ना, आर यू एबल टू रीड वट एवर इज देयर? Or if I just put it as this magnification, are you able to read?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, so now it is transfer of undertakings for a lump sum consideration without assigning value to the individual assets. Okay. So WDV, a block of assets, कैसे निकालते हैं? We'll see. See, first is ये पूरा same है. WDV at the beginning. This, ठीक है. I just put an example. So कुछ numbers दिखे तो we understand more, right? That's why. Say it is 1000. Okay. Add assets acquired during previous year. Okay. So this is 200. Okay. तो ये दोनों ऐड हो जाते हैं. Then assets sold. ये सब नॉर्मल है, करेक्ट? We do it normally also and you get the balance. ठीक है, यहां तक हम करते ही करते हैं. ओके, राइट? सो दिस इज, so till here you will do as normal. Okay, now क्या करेंगे यहां से? अभी in this group, from this group we want to remove the slump sale part. Whatever has been sold under slump sale, that we want to remove. Okay, so this asset sold is, this is normal. Okay, normally whatever you sell. Okay, not slump sale. This is not some slump sale. अब यहाँ पे जो है, here you will write less WDV under slump sale. ठीक है, अब ये हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, ये मैं बताऊंगा आपको how you will find it out. ठीक है, सब यहाँ कर क्या रहे हैं बेसिकली, जो आपका your written down value, normal written down value balance is this. ठीक है, normal written down value balance is this, on which you would have calculated depreciation. But क्योंकि slump sale हुआ है, from this 700 you want to remove the WDV of the slump sale assets. इसको हम remove कर रहे हैं 700. That's all you are doing. Okay, so that's why WDV under slump sale, these are the slump sale assets. So if you remove 100, then you get, this is the WDV of the currently existing assets. और इसका normally you will take depreciation. Now how to find this removed 100 part? वही एक अलग है ना इसमें. ये पूरा स्टेटमेंट जो मैंने बताया है, कुछ भी सब सेम है, which you already know. But less WDV under slump sale, how to find it out? बहुत ही सिंपल है. उसको क्या करते हैं आपको, और WDV under slump sale you find it individually. ठीक है, so in written down value methods we have block of assets, correct? Block of assets का concept है. यहाँ ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. सपोज आपका स्लम सेल हुआ है 5 assets. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है, this is your slump sale has happened for 5 assets. Now you want to remove this from your block of assets, इसका written down value. ठीक है, but there क्योंकि सब block of assets से सब mix हो गया, right? Has been mixed. So how to remove the WDV of these 5 assets? So क्या करेंगे आप, इस पे total depreciation कितना दिए हैं अभी तक? What the aim is, find total depreciation. ओके, इसका टोटल डिप्रिसिएशन अगर आपको मिल गया ये पांचों का, ओके, राइट, then you can easily find the WDV because you will have the purchase value of all these assets, correct? Cost तो आपके पास हो गई, you will have the cost or actual cost, right? All assets when you have bought, you will have the cost, right? Now you have to find the total depreciation till date. ये बस ये एक चीज अगर मिल गया, you get depreciation, then you will get WDV easily. कैसे? Actual cost माइनस टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन, WDV मिल जाएगा। सारा WDV को मैं ऐड कर दूंगा और वट एवर आई हैव एडेड दैट आई विल डिडक्ट देयर। यहाँ पे जो here we had seen on this one line, yeah, this line, wo, once I add the WDV of all 5 there, 5 or whatever number of assets, that I'll put here. बस उतना ही करना है हमको। Okay, now question is कि हम वही बोल रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं how to find that depreciation, ठीक है। तो क्योंकि WDV में तो you might not get that identity, ओके। सो आप क्या करते हैं, ईच ऑफ द एसेट उसका इंडिविजुअल डेप्रिसिएशन यू फाइंड आउट। ओके, हाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट, ये है कि यहाँ टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन हमको निकालना है, दैट्स ऑल, ठीक है। यहाँ सब बहुत कुछ लिखा है, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, just you have to find the total depreciation. How you will find? One is, you can say, total depreciation allowed on such asset in respect of any previous year commencing before 87-88. So what, yeah, 87-88 का क्या खासियत है आप बोलेंगे, right? So before 87-88 there was no concept of block of assets, ठीक है। अभी कोई block of assets नहीं था, सब individually होता था depreciation before 87-88. Okay, from 87-88 onwards block of asset concepts came. So that's why they are saying before 87-88 uska to individual depreciation you will know, because asset to individual maintain hota tha, right? Assets is to maintain individually. So before 87-88 you will get individual, but now after from 87-88 onwards, okay, find depreciation notional as if the asset was the only asset in the relevant block. ना वो asset का separately depreciation निकाल रहे हैं। So you will take depreciation before 87-88, take it, then take from 87-88 onwards. ये दोनों को will add it, that's all. Add कर दिया, का आ गया depreciation. Understood? So basically बस उसका depreciation निकालना है सारे assets का। Slump sale में whatever assets are being sold, just take out their depreciations. वही ये बोल रहा है actually. Nothing other than that. Once you get depreciation, actual cost, asset actual cost minus its depreciation will be written down value. Add all the slump sale assets written down values and just post it there. That's all. खत्म. Okay. बस इसको यहाँ डालना है हमको। तो इससे क्या हो रहा है, हो क्या रहा है, बस यार दिस इज योर, हमारा रियल जो ब्लॉक ऑफ एसेट्स का बैलेंस ये है। अब स्लम सेल जो हुआ है उसको यहाँ पे हमने हटा दी, स्लम सेल बैलेंस हैज बीन रिमूव्ड। सो नाउ 700 minus 800 इज आवर ऑल एसेट्स व्हिच आर देयर विद अस। ठीक, इस तरह से यू, दिस इज नथिंग बट एडजस्टिंग द ब्लॉक इफ अ स्लम सेल हैज हैपेंड। ठीक है, समझ में आया ये? कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लो, यहीं पे हम खत्म करेंगे आज का क्लास। विल एंड इट हियर। ठीक है, और Himanshu, if you want to discuss that, then I'll join back in a new one. So if you want to discuss it now, we can go ahead. Okay.
So actually tomorrow is 6:30 AM class for FA.
Okay.
We can.
ठीक है, तो we'll find time. ठीक है, at the earliest we'll find time जरूर, और उस हिसाब से अपन करेंगे वो discussion. Okay. That one is there. And what did you you understood that standard costing part, or you have anything further past there?
Yeah, I understood, but I'll discuss with you after.
You understood, right, that logic which I was explaining, how that plus that becomes this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So then other things is there, we can talk about it. Anything, right? You additionally, if you want to ask, you can just make a note of it and you tell me, and we'll take everything together. Okay, all normal questions I'll answer within this, but there'll be some questions which is only, which is more like a research. Okay, so those things will just separate it out, because it will just increase the class time. Okay. Anything which is just research, not a, if it is helpful to the other students, those kind of things, I'll do it here itself. But like for example, that standard costing part itself you take, that will never be asked in the examination, right? So those things and all will not be discussed in the class. Similarly here, some deeper logic things and all, that if it is there, you ask me, there's no problem. But certain things I'll answer that, certain things I'll park it. Whatever we park, just keep a note of that. Okay, all that we will address separately. Because if we put all of that in the class time, then it will be, we might have to, we will overshoot our target. And then everyone will not be interested also in that, right? This is in the nature of some additional research kind of questions. Okay. और कोई क्वेश्चन किसी का कि यहाँ पे मैं क्लोज करूं? ठीक है, ये हमारा स्लम सेल खत्म हुआ, कंटिन्यू ईयर। नाउ ये जो मैं बता रहा था ना आपको पावर यूनिट्स का, दैट डेप्रिसिएशन उनको स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड एंड डब्ल्यूडीवी both are allowable. This is the only case, otherwise SLM is not allowed in tax. So that is the next topic कल के लिए, ठीक है? तो कल हम करेंगे।
स्लम सेल का कोई इलस्ट्रेशन नहीं है जो हम करेंगे?
किसका?
स्लम सेल का
नहीं, उसका इलस्ट्रेशन नहीं है, वो सिर्फ एक आपका कॉन्सेप्ट है। एक मिनट में देख लेता हूँ, आई डोंट थिंक सो, नहीं, इट इज जस्ट अ कॉन्सेप्ट, ठीक है, जस्ट कॉन्सेप्ट है आपके इसके लिए, और कुछ नहीं, राइट? सो देन ओके, थैंक यू। ठीक है, थोड़ा लेट हो रहा है बस हमको भी, 3 सेशंस वी विल डू, बट वंस वी स्टार्ट तक 8:30 ना, थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाएगा। 8:30 को स्टार्ट करेंगे, 10:30 तक हो जाएगा, 10:30 10:40 मैक्स। ओके, 3 सेशंस सबको करना है। Okay, 1 class for salary is remaining, so tomorrow I will finish that off. Okay, एक क्लास है 30 minutes का, we need for salary। क्या करेंगे, उस पर लास्ट क्लास रख लेंगे, so we can close it little early also। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा पार्ट बाकी है, सैलरीज हो जाएगा, that will be 3rd class। चलो, okay, thank you।